going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you some of the accessories that you will be needing if you are just starting your own vlogging and creating your own videos. So everybody starts with a cell phone because almost everybody has a cell phone. We use this for our communication with people, and at the same time we use this to create our own videos. Okay. In addition to your cell phone, you need some kind of cell phone holder. And you will have something like this. Is a cell phone holder or a stick or a tripod, small tripod like this. Holding like this, plugging is become easier rather than when you're just holding it with your hands. Okay, so long as your cell phone is can take 720p video quality, then this setup is good enough. But sometimes the issue comes out when you are doing your vlogging in a noisy environment, especially when it's a little bit windy. So that's the time that you will be needing some kind of external mic like this. So this is a shotgun mic that reject noise from the side, but will accept signal from the front. That's why they call this the shotgun mic. So basically, this is how it looks like. It's just a regular mic. And the reason why we have this is going to reduce the wind noise. So this is they call this the wind noise filter. Most oftentimes you will be seeing this kind of noise filter, and most of the bloggers that you will see on the internet. This is, of course, this is better wind noise filter than this one. This is the mic holder. This is the most basic of them all. So pretty much the idea of the holder is to minimize any vibration, mechanical vibration from being transported into your mic, because it's going to create some kind of noise. There you go. Of course, this cable will be connected to your audio terminal, your cell phone. Just make sure that you will hear the click sound to make sure that the connection is good. And then you can use any one of these. There you go. Okay, for quite some time this will be enough for you to do your own vlogging. But then sometimes you will be vlogging inside inside the house, or when there's a low light situation. So you will be needing some kind of LED like this. So this type of light is you can control the brightness. Okay, so you will end up with this kind of setup. So you have now your external mic, wind noise filter, you have this LED light, and your cell phone, and your tripod. So pretty much this is a good startup when you are just starting your vlogging. Okay, for the most part this is good enough. But after some time, if you want to bring your vlogging to the next level, then you will be upgrading some of your accessories. Like if you are going to buy a standard camera instead of cell phone, and other accessories, and that will be covered in the second part of this video. So you decided to step up your vlogging experience, and you upgraded your cell phone and replace it with this action camera. So we still have this same LED light, this external mic with this wind reduction filter, and we still have the same tripod. So basically this is a little some upgrade from your previous cell phone vlogging setup. Okay, so the next part of this video is going to show you how to upgrade your vlogging system from this setup. In this third part of the video, I'm going to show you how to build a system that is an improvement from using your cell phone or action camera. And we'll be using a regular standard camera. For my application, I'm going to use this Z50 Nikon. This is a APS-C mirrorless camera. But of course, you can use other systems like camera from Canon and or Sony or Panasonic in other systems. So we have this camera, and I'll be using this rig for the camera, and I'm also going to touch the flash. Of course, we'll be using the same LED, the same shotgun mic that we used previously, but instead of using this flimsy plastic attachment, we'll be using this instead. So this is a bit improvement from this type. So you see, this is a plastic. It's a hard plastic actually. This is way better because you can see this is a rubber material. It will be able to isolate more of the mechanical vibration compared with this plastic. So we have a couple of attachments here. This 3-side cold shoe adapter, and another one here. So this is a battery bank, and we have this. We'll be using this small tripod. I'm going to start assembling all these accessories and cameras, and we'll be seeing the result afterwards. Now this is my finished setup. So you can see the improvement from the first one, the cell phone, and the action camera, the GoPro, is this. So we have this same LED light. We have this shotgun mic. But the thing is, we put this mic into this holder, So there's a big improvement on in here. So see mic, you will notice this is a rubber material. So what the idea here is, any kind of vibration that is coming from here, it's going to be smoothened by this rubber. So we have a new stuff here. This is a flash, or this is the speed light for this camera. So I have a battery bank here that I can use to charge the battery of this camera. And now you'll see I also use a different tripod. This is a very small tripod. Okay, so the main purpose of this setup is you can use this to record videos as well as to take photographs. So this is a hybrid type. This is not only for vlogging, but you can also use this for photography. So this is the use of this flash for photography. And this light will be used for when you're recording videos. So this is I call this the hybrid vlogging setup. So I just did another improvement here. So I transferred this mic to the right side instead of here. The reason for this is because this cable, I can use a smaller cable, because so you can see the distance is a little bit shorter here. So this is a better arrangement. So this mic, I can readjust the position. This is a fully articulated mic. You can do it like this. So it's very flexible. So that's the idea. So this is one of the most compact vlogging setup that I assembled so far. So it's very light. You can just hold it in your one hand and it's very nice. So what happened is, this is a complete setup. Pretty much you have everything in here. So you have this flash or speed light for photography. We have this LED for video recording, especially when it's dark or low light situation. We have this mic, external mic, to improve audio as well as to minimize wind noise. And we have this battery bank to charge our camera. And we have a very small tripod that makes this a little bit more compact. So you can just bring this anywhere. You can just put this on the table. This is the improvement from cell phone to action camera, and this is the third level that you can do to bring your vlogging to the next level. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any comments, just comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and click your notification bell so you can be notified on my next video upload.
This city has a special morning voice. Speaks to me through an open window, masquerading